Fenceman Dan with Midwest Fence and MidwestFence.com. I got a question from a viewer the other day. She asked, why should I choose Midwest Fence? I've got some reasons for you. Midwest Fence was founded in 1947 and owned by the same family. We've helped thousands of homeowners with their fence projects and will continue to help for many years to come. Midwest Fence is licensed by the state, bonded for each and every fence project. We have workers' compensation insurance, general liability insurance to protect our customers from job site accidents. We are members in good standing with the Better Business Bureau, members of the American Fence Association, and we have warranties. Midwest Fence provides an exclusive material and labor warranty on all of our fence installations. If you need warranty work, our crews will be there when you need us. Midwest Fence purchases and uses only the finest materials available. As one of the largest fence companies, we buy in bulk, direct from manufacturers, ensuring quality and affordability for all of our customers. Midwest Fence offers a wider selection of options than any other fence company. Midwest Fence has a showroom for all customers to view the various products that we offer. There are clear differences between fence companies. Midwest Fence has a solid reputation in the Twin Cities, and we will be here when you need us, today and many years to come.